So I got this first one poured. I have it standing up in the mold to let it dry. You can see I actually trimmed the excess cement here for the window on the back side, since when I poured it from this side I pressed it into place and there was a layer of cement on the bottom. So I already tried to get this out of here once. I was kind of waiting for the wood to actually dry, since it sucked up a lot of that water and swelled up. Not sure if it'll actually come out yet. It's still a little wet. Maybe try it, take it out a little later tomorrow morning. That's it. Everything's demolded. Ended up having to take at least one side off of that mold in order to get it to pop out. So here's what I'm left with. Another crack. I don't know if this is repairable. Not sure if I'm just taking this out too soon or just not enough for what I need to do. But, anyway, I have all the pieces. Windows there. Maybe this can be glued together. I don't know. Maybe I have to do something other than angled 45-degree corners. Maybe just do square corners. Almost like a dovetail without the angles. It's my next, probably be my next attempt at a mold. Okay, here I just want to show that I used just a child's sifter here to sift out some of the heavy rocks out of the cement. So I have a nice fine mix. I'm just mixing a small batch. I don't need much to just to do the windows. I'm only doing 2 right now. Once this is mixed, I'll put it in the mold. Okay, here I have 2 molds. The wider one can do the window, doing the opening of the window. The outside is down. These have all been sprayed with WD-40 for release agent. I used hot glue all the way around. Wood glued the seams. Just used some regular sheetrock screws just to hold it together. I got markers here. These marks indicate where the window opening will be. And this is for the reason for when I pour the next one, I can have these windows at the same height. So over here I created a smaller clay moon. Basically I just took a ball of clay, a little larger than that, put it between 2 boards the same size, and then with something flat, you flatten it down just to the right size, like so. It's got flat surface top and bottom. Of course it'd be rounder than that. And then here I just took a caulking tube, has been used a little bit, cleaned out the inside a little, and just cut into it, made a moon. Of course this isn't enough clay to be to use for that. So that's how I created this one here. I'll do another one after this one is done. So that's it. So this is all level, ready to be poured. I got my cement mixed. It's nice loose. I got all the big stones out of there by sifting it, so now I'm ready to pour. Okay, I got my pressure washer out and begun to remove the clay with the pressure washer. It's starting to look really good. Cleaning up nicely. You can see that I have some edges of these still to clean up a little bit, but we'll get there. Next step is grinding, so take down all those hard edges, get that all cleaned up. I just got to finish taking these out. I demolded two of the sides. Ready to pour the next ones. Well, nice. Nice and clean. This is nice too. I'll have to glue it, but I'm happy with it. Once the weight's on it, it'll hold together. Because I got to glue the pieces together anyway. Probably gonna use some sort of I guess liquid nails or something to hold the pieces together. Try that out and see how it goes.